What's up everyone, I'm Roxy. So if you're new to my channel, the long story short is that every day for the month of June, so that's 30 days, I'll be posting a new productivity challenge that is going to help you get your life together. I will leave a link to the entire playlist down below, as well as the first video of this series so you can learn more about the series. Also, it's June. That means half of the year has gone by and we don't want the rest of the year to pass us by feeling as if we got nothing done for 2019. So before I share my productivity challenge for today, don't forget to head across to my Instagram and follow me there at @ItsRoxyJames. It's my only form of social media and there's so much exclusive lifestyle content over there, and I love talking to you guys about how you're getting your life together in this productivity series. Okay, so today's tip is one that is going to help you tomorrow, and that basically is that you're going to grab a pen and a paper and you're going to plan out your ideal day tomorrow, and you're actually going to make it happen. So you're going to plan out exactly what you want to do from the time you wake up to the time you go to sleep. So if you feel overwhelmed with this challenge, all you have to do is choose 5 things that you want to get done tomorrow, as well as what you're going to eat, what you're going to do at the gym, or what you're going to do to work out, what are you going to read for your 15 minutes, because if you miss that challenge, we're reading 15 minutes every single day of a book that is going to help us feel inspired. And of course, anything else that I didn't mention that probably fits into your lifestyle. So the aim of this challenge is to really show you that if you plan for the next day, then chances are you'll get so much done and you will feel as if your life is in order to some extent. Obviously, things are going to pop up that you can't control, but if you plan out at least 5 goals that you want to get done tomorrow, chances are you are going to get them done. So don't wait until tomorrow to do them. You should actually be writing it down, girl, taking some notes right now. So maybe you want to work a little bit on that essay, maybe you want to shoot some content. Now is the time to plan it out and make sure that you allocate time for tomorrow to get it done. The point is that you will be working on something, and by the time tomorrow comes around, at the end of the day, you're going to look back and say, oh my goodness, I planned my day and it was freaking amazing, because you actually got everything done on your to-do list. So there's also a bonus. There's going to be a free printable on my blog, which I will link in down below, that you can print out and write down what is your plan for tomorrow and see how productive you can be at the end of the day. If you're having fun in this challenge, you can comment down below and let me know how is your day going, how is your week going, how is your getting your life together challenge going, because I really would want to know. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see a lot more of my 30 days of getting your life together productivity series challenge, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It means so much to me. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content I have planned for you. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for your next productivity challenge. Bye. Mwah.